Here I'm showing you the affiliate earnings from my other channel. You can clearly see how many sales I generated and how much commission I earned. And remember, this is all happened through just one platform, Flipkart. If you also want to get results like this, make sure you watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm sharing some strategies that many of you are currently not using on YouTube, which is silently hurting your free affiliate earnings. These strategies are tested by myself on other YouTube channels, and the results you just saw are the proof. So let's talk about one by one. Before we start, you need to know something important. The product tagging feature on YouTube is currently available only if you have 10,000 subscribers. But don't worry, even if you haven't reached 10,000 subscribers yet, you can still understand and prepare these strategies in advance. Strategy number 1, tag the correct products. On YouTube, there is an auto tagging option where AI automatically suggests products based on your video. I mean, the things you are showing on the video. But this is not 100% accurate. There are high chances it may tag completely irrelevant products. Let me give you an example. If I am reviewing a mobile phone, the tags must be related only to that mobile phone. Maybe a case, charger, or related accessories shown in the video. But imagine if YouTube auto tags the shirt I'm wearing or if any goggles I'm wearing. Strange, right? People who are watching that particular video are coming because of the product. The hero of the product is mobile phone for that video. If you tag your shirts or goggles, nobody will click those links because that's not the reason why they are watching your review. So I strongly recommend you manually tag your products correctly and precisely. Avoid using auto tagging. It hardly takes 2 to 5 minutes to list the exact products shown in your video and add them manually. Strategy number 2, perfect timing of product tags. You might be thinking here, what does timing have to do with this? Let's continue with the previous example, mobile review. If you display the product tag right at the beginning of the video, people will not buy it. Why? Because they don't know anything about that product yet. That's exactly why they click that video to learn, to watch whether it is okay or not for them. So the beginning is the worst place to show product tags. The best time is after you have explained about the product. Ideally, I can say after 70% of the video. If it is 10 minutes, mostly that's how the videos ends for a review. Like when you are telling about your final verdict, on that time you can share. Or maybe when you are unboxing the mobile phone and telling about the price, on that time also you can share the link. What happens here is at that point, the viewer already trusts your opinion and understand about the product of what you told. So they are more likely to click the tag product and check the price or any offers going on and even purchase it. You can even add the custom timestamps for each product you tag. That option is also available. Use it. Come on, use that option. Strategy number 3. Don't just tag one product, build an ecosystem. This is where most people lose a lot of free affiliate money. Again, taking the previous example, the mobile phone, if a viewer buys that mobile phone, think with common sense that what else might they need for that particular mobile phone. I know, you got it. A back cover, a tempered glass, maybe earphones or maybe TWS earphones, a power bank, a selfie stick. The list goes on like this. This is called the ecosystem. If in case you are telling about a piece of product, let's say you are reviewing a camera, so just think about the ecosystem around that camera. Maybe the extra battery, maybe the charger, maybe the case, the protection for the DSLR, the memory cards, the hard disk, power bank. The list goes on like this. Depending on the video type, this ecosystem changes. You can even use the AI to find related products and add those tags as well. But remember, again I'm saying, timing is still important here. So these are the 3 strategies you need to implement, and I can say these are the very, very powerful strategies. If you implement these 3 strategies, you will definitely notice a boost in sales and a rise in your affiliate commissions from YouTube. And if you're planning to start a YouTube channel or already have one but don't know how to grow it properly, then you are at the right place. I'll be soon launching a one-on-one mentorship program where I personally guide and monitor your channel's complete growth. You can find the link in the description box. For now, make sure you give the correct email ID so that I can get back to you once this everything is sorted out. And one more thing, there is a waiting list for this. I'm only taking 10 to 20 people in one batch so that I can train them individually and more focused and more deeply for a few weeks or months. Then I continue with the next batch. Click this video if you don't know how to start a YouTube channel. In this video, I have shown everything from scratch, how to create a channel, how to come up with the ideas, the channel name, the niche selection, and everything. And these days, YouTube is also giving the bonus for the people. I already made a video on that. You can click here and check out. Before meeting you again in the next video, stay tuned, apply these 3 strategies and watch your affiliate earnings growing.